Audio check, 1, 2, right here, Mr. Show. Thanks for logging in. Remember to like and subscribe. People, I got a tragic story from an alleged victim of Puff Diddy. And I'm going to try to lighten it up a bit by bringing in a magician story. Kind of back to back to try to mask it a bit. It's a very emotional story, so we want to have some fun times in between it. So let's get right into it. It's the Mr. Show right here. The friend zone is something that no man wants to get into. Why? Why? Let's get into the friend zone.
Oh, AJ, come on. Remember what I said? We just friends, all right? Homies, pals, buddies, compadre. I'm inviting you, just relax on me, okay? You promise?
You didn't even have to do all of that.
Just chill.
All right, friend zone. Gone in to go meet the friends. Let's go. No talking. Let's see what happens.
Hey!
You right on time. We gonna take some shots.
Hey, yo. This is my homeboy AJ. Just my friend. Just my friend. Okay.
AJ, that's just her friend, guys.
That's just your friend.
What we drinking?
Wait, that's just your friend.
Yeah. It's just friends.
So if you go look up Facebook's TikTok page, Instagram's TikTok page, and Meta's TikTok page and block them all, your algorithm will refresh after each block, but it will go back to normal.
You kinda cute.
Yeah, I guess. But pour me up.
Okay, girl, hold on. You wanna say?
Me?
Yeah.
You lose. Perfect.
I got you. Stop. What's your favorite game?
GTA.
Stop.
Same game.
Same game.
I
have been waiting.
I've been waiting too. Yeah, we talking about DC Grand Theft Auto. I love the game.
I love this
Stop with him.
I don't know what somebody told you.
Yeah, come on. I got you.
Oh, fuck.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Such a waste of a night.
How is it a waste of night? I had a blast. I'm actually happy you introduced me to your friends.
It was too much going on.
What was too much going on?
That girl that was all up in your face, like
Sunny with the bunny.
Sunny with the bunny.
Nicknames.
It's how she's for everybody.
How is she for everybody?
The way she was all up on you.
Exactly.
Supposed to be your friend.
She's just for me.
No.
I love her.
You love her. You just met her.
I don't care.
What are you doing? Getting so close to someone you just met. Like,
She feeds the orphans on Sundays. She's perfect.
she's lying to
She
you.
showed me a video. Stop hating.
You just believe anything. You just believe anything anybody tell you. You're gonna get your heart broken one day.
And you're a hater. And you know what? I love her. So like I said, I'm gonna start a future with her because we're besties. Pinky out now. There we go. Make sure you're locked in for life, right?
Right?
Just friends?
Friends? Just friends?
Friends.
All right. Now you know what else you're gonna do? Index finger? Use the press number 1. Because we leaving. Hating ass.
Never put nothing out of my hair before.
What does that have to do with anything?
Nothing! That's nothing to do with anything.
Do you want something to
Okay, so that was a little fun part right there. Now, did Diddy do her? It's an alleged victim here of Puff Daddy, and then, like I said, I'm going to bring in like a little bit of I'm cutting it, right, because I don't want it to be censored or stopped by YouTube. Straight up. So I'm cutting it, little small pieces, a little piece of what she's saying, and then we get into something completely different to lighten the mood. So let's go.
drink? I said, sure, what you got? And he was drinking something in a red soda cup.
So let's get back from the top and like and subscribe, okay? Let's go.
Want something to drink? I said, sure, what you got? And he was drinking something in a red soda cup. And he gave me a clear glass, like a little cup, with some white Zin.
happened?
By the time we got to Daddy's House Studios, I started feeling a little woozy. Lightheaded. I kept doing this, trying to feel my face because it kept feeling a little numb. I remember getting out the Escalade. Still, I'm thinking we're gonna go to the studio and my boyfriend's gonna be there. But at this time, we went down the hallway to a door and a lounge that I've never been to. And I remember sitting on the dark couch. Puff was sitting there on the couch with me. I'm not sure for how long I was sitting there, and I started feeling a lot more fuzzier. And I remember crying. The next thing I remember was I was slammed on a pool table. On the pool table. And my hands were tied behind my back. Puffy was standing by the bar, and he was naked. He put on something on his privates that, like, I smell it. It smelled like menthol.
Am I tripping?
What do you mean?
This is the girl, yeah.
What's that?
A young lady was just here.
Oh yeah, that was my girl.
Yeah, where'd she go?
Oh, I just packed her up.
There's got to be a hidden camera around here somewhere.
I don't see any.
Well, whatever you're doing is working, because we're bugging out.
I know some people are like, yo, why, such a serious moment with that woman talking about her experience, and it's such a bad experience. Why would you put this comedy in between it? And it's literally that. Comic relief. Nothing else. Just so that I don't want nobody crying when they're watching the show. Straight up. Remember to like and subscribe.
I think the reason why women like to receive is because we have a hole.
Now this lady's logics.
We literally have a hole. We were made to receive. And then the men, y'all are supposed to be the givers. We receive, you give.
Okay.
And if you're a man and you like to receive, then maybe you're on the other side. Because you're supposed to be the giver. And we with the whole, we're the receiver.
Types of men, when them come a friend and them have to work hard and, maintain and do certain things, you find...
All right, I'm going to have to translate this one. So, this lady, the gist of what she's pretty much saying, and I know you guys are like, don't give it away, but because she's speaking in a hardcore patois language, I'm going to have to translate as she goes. Shout out to all the Jamaicans, the diaspora around the world, men from Jamaica who leave Jamaica, come out here and foreign, as we call it, to work. All right, so listen to what she's saying, and then I'll translate it after.
It's a certain breed of woman, them, the man, they now go look pan. You understand me? And majority of the time, not all the time, because you have some very, what do you call it now? Some working class and some very ambitious women are foreign. You understand me? We have them good job and sitting, we go to Jamaica go fall prey to the con artists them. Yeah, me nah excuse that, cause that does happen. But me I talk about the one them we sit down a foreign pan benefit. And then go to Jamaica and go and like say, them have 10 big house of foreign and ray and try to can the youth them down there and ray. To no man of foreign don't want them. Cause them don't have anything to offer and don't have anything to bring to the table. All of them do a fuck and smoke ganja and live pan benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. You understand me? And most of the talk about the one them we sit down a foreign pan benefit. And then go to Jamaica and go and like say, them have 10 big house of foreign and ray and try to can the youth them down there and ray. To no man of foreign don't want them. Cause them don't have anything to offer and don't have anything to bring to the table. All of them do a fuck and smoke ganja and live pan benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. You understand me? And most of the time, some of the time when you see them come down to Jamaica and look no, because no man no want them a foreign. No man no want some of them up here because man there whole heap a nice clean stiff Jamaican man is here. Them a go like say the Jamaican man them are foreign different from the one them down at Jamaica. Them go down at Jamaica go take a Jamaican one them because the one them down there they're unsuspecting. Them not have no clue some of them but what really are going in a them life in a foreign. You understand? So them just pull wool over the people them eye, the people them boy pitney eye down there. And when fuckery go on, them come a ball woy. Somehow no call it pound yourself. Me not talk about the genuine cases. Let me make myself clear. I'm not talking about the genuine love bomb cases, the love scamming cases. Me not talk about them genuine one. They come and know some of them are dark shit for true in a real life. Me not talk about the woman them we set up on herself. We set up on herself. Yeah, somehow no go down, they go take a boy them out of desperation. Because no man of foreign now look past somehow. Let's be clear. You understand? Uno fi stop it. You don't know go down go take a cocky and left a cocky down there and call it holiday romance. Or if you not go deal with long-term relationship, uno think logically about it first. You understand?
Do I really have to
don't
translate
have anything
this?
To offer.
Do I really have to translate this? I mean, like, okay, so I know that there's a lot of people that don't understand the Jamaican dialect, but in a long story short, she's saying there's men that come from Jamaica and go to foreign, go to Canada, America, England, go work a good job, work hard, and when they're out there working, what they're doing is providing for some woman, what we call them, we're like walkless gal, right? So women that are sitting down living on benefits and all they know how to do is throw a man out of their council house, as she call it, meaning their benefits house, their government funded house, right? In England, Canada, America, they call it something different, right? And she has to now, there's also a set of Jamaican men who go to foreign, go out to these places, Canada, America, UK, Europe, wherever, and they making money, they working hard, and they're not giving up to the regular, the 304s of the local area. And then there's unsuspected Jamaican men in Jamaica who get caught up by these 304s who are living on benefit checks, going to Jamaica, laughing, acting like they have a lot of shit, but they really don't have nothing, okay? So in a long story short, that's kind of what she's saying, but you can pick sense out of nonsense and see what she has to say, right? Because, some people that say, Ricky?
You sound like a pussy one. And I better shut the fuck up, yeah, man.
All right, just play the thing then, yeah, brother. One more time.
To the con artists them. Yeah, me nah excuse that, cause that does happen. But me I talk about the one them we sit down a foreign pan benefit. And then go to Jamaica like say, them have
the women that sit down on benefits and they go to Jamaica and act like they ish don't stink.
To no man of foreign don't.
And the man them in foreign in Canada and stuff don't want them.
Offer and don't have anything to bring to the table. All of them do a fuck and smoke ganja and live pan benefit and tell man to come out of them council house.
Right. So all they do is slap. F-U-C-K, right? Live pan benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. But there are also a lot of women in foreign who have their own house. So let's keep that in mind too.
Table. All of them do a fuck and smoke ganja and live for benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. You understand me? And most of the time, some of the time when you see them come down to Jamaica and look, you know, because no man no want them a foreign.
All right, so a lot of the times when these girls come to Jamaica and they're looking, the Jamaican men, it's the reason why is because they've already been played out in their area. Nobody here in foreign, as them call it, Canada, UK, America, don't want them. All right, so
You sound like a pussy one.
Just cool, brother. Let's hear. Let's hear what she's saying now. Let's go.
Seafood Jamaican man.
Let's go.
And don't have anything to bring to the table. All of them do a fuck and smoke ganja and live for benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. You understand me? And most of the time, some of the time when you see them come down to Jamaica and look, you know, because no man no want them a foreign.
Okay.
No man no want some of them up here because man there. Whole heap a nice, clean, stiff Jamaican man is here. Them a go and like say the Jamaican man them a foreign different from the one them down at Jamaica. Them go down at Jamaica go take a Jamaican one them because the one them down there they're unsuspecting.
So the men them that come up from Jamaica to come here come work. The men them are the same men them from Jamaica who are out there stuck or whatever. Right? So, I mean, me as a born Jamaican still, I kind of find it a different category because I came to Canada early. So, all right, let's continue.
Them not have no clue, some of them, but we really have.
Right, so the unsuspected Jamaican men who get caught up by the 304s with their benefit checks coming to Jamaica.
One in a them life in a foreign, you understand? So them just pull wool over the people them eye, the people them boy pitney eye down there. And when fuckery go on, them come a ball, woy. Someone wanna call it pound yourself. Me not talk about the genuine cases, let me make myself clear.
Right.
I'm not talking about the genuine love bomb cases, the love scamming cases. Me not talk about them genuine one. They come in, some of them are dark shit for true in a real life. Me not talk about the woman them were set up on herself. We set up on yourself. Yeah, someone who go down, they go take a boy them out of desperation too. Because no man of foreign now look past someone. Let's be clear. You understand? You know if you stop it. You don't know go down, go take a cocky and left a cocky down there and call it holiday romance. Or if you not go deal with long-term relationship, you know think logically about it first. You understand? Yeah, come on nobody a ball for me in my DM. Because look here, enough women they are foreign with them Jamaican man and them go to Jamaica upon holiday and fuck down the place.
Yeah.
And the man there are some blood clot fuck different down at Jamaica. I know the man. Now the fuck, the environment, the laid backness, everything just different. The food, the alcohol, the weed,
right.
Everything just different. The ambience.
So,
everything.
So what's your advice, Shorty? What's your advice? Let's hear your advice.
Just different down at Jamaica. So if you have your man a foreign, yeah, and him not care go Jamaica go give you some good fuck, and you have to go Jamaica go take Jamaican man for fuck you, that's a your problem. Yeah, because good Jamaican man they are foreign.
You should not tell no lie still. Good Jamaican man is in foreign. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for logging in.